Why hello there guys. Today I'm at the abandoned Best Buy in Springdale, Ohio. This closed like in February, I think. I know Slacking Packing has made a store closing video of this place. So yeah, let's check this out. Awesome content is brought to you by Venture King 1000. Here it is, guys. So Best Buy, a story with this Best Buy is that a few years ago we bought my mom's computer here, and my mom's computer still works. Trying to keep the camera steady. You can tell this was a Best Buy big time. We're gonna try to go all around the building. There's some stores over there. I don't know if we're gonna go all around the building or not. We'll see. But I went here in March when it first closed. So it either closed February or March. Let's look inside. You won't see much inside, really. But once I came here and I found something really interesting. Once I came to this abandoned Best Buy and there was a security alarm. No, not alarm, but there was like the security cameras still on. It was recording us. It was so creepy. That was probably like the weirdest experience in my life. There's a factory going on down there. And guess what? This is Tri-County Mall, the dead mall. And you see that, oh my gosh, this camera looks like it's in zoom for some reason. I hope, like, now that we can't really see inside, I think it's getting turned into something else. I don't think so. That's just my thoughts. There. I am recording this time since my dad's not with me for this video. I'm trying so hard to keep the camera steady for you guys. So cold out. This is slightly a better day than yesterday because yesterday was just a boring day. I thought there was an open door, but it appears not. So, yeah, once we get over here, we're going to call it a stop because there's a bunch of other stores in the back. We can try to see inside these. No, you can barely see inside this whole entire place. Sucks, but at least I get to show you guys what history used to be. Let's see if we can see. I think there's still a part in the back we can look at. Let me see. Oh, nice. Something is still on. Come on, guys. Just exploring. Every single time I always open a door. Oh, what's this? This looks like a explanation point. That looks like a. It looks like a. Not sure, like a weird face. I literally forget stuff so easily. I sometimes don't remember. I'm gonna press the bell. Yeah, there you go. You can hear it. Yeah, let's see. Oh, there you go. That was crazy. That is scary. a wrap because we're in the middle of all these other stores. This is just a pointless area. Just a pointless area. We don't need to. There's no trash area. Wait, there actually is a trash area. But I swear, I bet this is like the last thing you're gonna see in this video. I saw 2 of these today. You may or may not hear my pants, but they're making this sound like this. Yeah, every time I walk, they do that. So I'm sorry, guys. I don't think this is a trash area. And there's nothing in trash, just a lot of overgrown plants and stuff. So we're gonna head out. Best Buy, you can get no more computers, no more phones, no more electronics. Oh my gosh. I think I heard an echo. Oh my gosh. What the? I thought I just heard an echo. What the heck? No, seriously, I thought I heard an echo. I thought I heard an echo. Oh, that was funny. I thought I heard an echo from me. I was talking on the camera. We won't look over there. That's pointless. So we're gonna head to the car. That door is locked. I don't know what that black thing is. We weren't able to look too much inside the interior, but at least we pressed that bell. That was good. We can't look in any windows. But in March, probably the day we started being in quarantine and all that, we went outside here at this when one of the first weeks this was abandoned, and we found a security camera still on, but I think they turned it off now that it's darker inside. But yeah, sad to see this close because I had memories here. But you never know when a place closes. Oh yeah, also big shout out to Slacking Packing. Also, he is dedicated to this video because he actually made a video of this store closing. So, and for supporting me on all my videos, commenting on my Steak and Shake and my Hollywood video. But yeah, peace, guys.